Hello friends! Today, I will show you how to use the one-sheet annual budget. This spreadsheet is designed for those who want to see their annual income and expenses all on one page. Let's quickly jump into the video. When you purchase this product, you will download a PDF file. Let's start by opening that file. Annual budget includes 5 different currencies. Click on the currency you want to use. Click on Make a Copy on the page that opens. And there you have it. You've reached the annual budget spreadsheet. To view it in full screen, I'm selecting View, Enter Full Screen. Then in Google Sheets, I'm choosing View Full Screen once more. Yes, it looks better this way. Now let's take a quick look at the entire page. The income and expense log for 12 months is located below. This is the main area you'll need to fill out. Most of the tables and charts at the top will be generated automatically. Now, let's see how to use this spreadsheet. First, select the starting month and year. I want it to start from January 2024. As you can see, the entire page has automatically updated to the month I selected. Next, there are 2 more sections we need to personalize: income category and expense category. This part is entirely customizable to fit your needs. I'll fill it out quickly. In the income log and expense log below, the categories we personalized will appear automatically. That's all we need to do in the upper section. As you enter your income and expenses, all the remaining tables and charts at the top will be generated automatically. Now let's start entering our income and expenses. Let's enter our income for January. When you double-click on the cell where you select the date, a calendar will appear. You can choose any day from this calendar. We've already determined the categories, so you can quickly select them and enter the amount. I'm continuing in the same way. You can already see that the charts at the top are being generated automatically. Now let's fill out the expense log. We've completed January. You'll see the left to spend for January. You'll also see total income, total expenses, and difference. If the difference is positive, it will appear in green. If it's negative, it will be in red. In the annual overview, you'll see the income, expenses, and difference for each of the 12 months. Likewise, if income exceeds expenses, difference will be in green, and if expenses exceed income, it will be in red. The income versus expense chart shows the comparison of total annual income and expenses as a column chart. Income breakdown displays the total amount for each income category and creates a pie chart. Expense breakdown does something similar, showing the total expenditure for each expense category and generating a pie chart. Income month by month and expense month by month will create a column chart. You can track the total income and expenses for each month. Now, I'm quickly going to fill in the remaining 11 months. And we'll take another look at the entire page. There it is. Total income, expenses, and difference for 12 months. Income, expenses, and difference for each month. A column chart comparing total income and expenses. Total amounts for income categories for each of the 12 months with pie charts. Total amounts for expense categories for each of the 12 months with pie charts. Finally, a column chart showing total income and expenses for each month. That's it. If you want to access this spreadsheet designed for those who want to see all their income and expenses on a single page, you can find it through the link in the description. Thank you all. I hope this video has been helpful to you. To stay updated on new content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Happy planning!